Welcome back to the carport, y'all. I want to check out some gear. Gear review. Today's going to be gloves. Sorry about the hammering and nailing in the background. They're constructing an abode. Anyway, that's what you get in an open air carport. Let's get to it. Kemimoto motorcycle gloves. Complete journey of dreams. Anyway, let's open it up, see what we got. We got a bag, size large, pack of do not eat, some stuff, and some gloves. One for the left hand, one for the right hand. Knuckle protection. Let's see, where's that? Big Velcro strap. I like that. About the right hander. Gauntlet style, so to go over your coat. Got a little bit of, it's got just a little bit of elastic right here where it keeps it kind of right at the base of your wrist, keeps it tight, but it's not uncomfortable. It's actually it's about where I'd like it to be. The seams all look nice. The construction appears to be pretty good, double stitched in places. It's got a little hole in the back for, you know, stashing stuff. Let's throw some gear on and go for a ride, see how they do. Be right back. Alrighty. Mic check.
Yep.
I can really feel mine like nipples up.
Yeah.
Well, they say the gloves are touchscreen compatible, but it takes a little bit of getting used to. You know, everything does. The temperature says it's 41 out here now. Check that capillary refill. Alright. Not so good. Bad. Bad. Bad again. Pretty good. Yep, like it or not, them gloves are a little too cold for today. That's alright. We brought some extras. We'll make it home with these. These are my go-tos. Snowboarding gloves.
For reason it gets. Yep. Nope. No. It's not. It'll be alright. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Okay.
Let's close this video out, shall we? Really appreciate Kemimoto sending these gloves out. Email back and forth. I got them for review. I don't hate them. I kind of dig them. Maybe you're a little younger and, you know, in better shape. Your cardiovascular system's in better working order than mine, you know. I go through a lot of gloves. Well, I don't really go through. I seem to collect a lot of gloves. I know gloves. For me. Not for you. But for me. Because I've got, sure enough, cold weather, plug them in. It's fitting to get bloody cold gloves. I got mitts for slightly above freezing. I got my teens gloves. I got my 30s and 40s gloves. 50s. Roundabouts. My go-to summer gloves. Of course, my leather gloves you see me wear all the time. Except I don't know where they're at. These Kemimotos are alright. They do work. Little pads. They do work on my phone. It's imprecise to say the least. But I mean, you know, trying to work a phone with gloves on, I mean, that's what you get. I do enjoy the elastic right here around the band. The cuff's big enough to get around your jacket. I like that the Velcro's wide. It's not a real narrow strip. And I like the fact that it does have Velcro. These up here got this vertical Velcro or horizontal. It's different. That's what I'm trying to say. See this side to side, fore and aft. This doesn't do worth crap. And of course, if you go inside the coat, well, the wind blows up your sleeve, right? These do all right. These are probably my go-tos. But honestly, I mean, if you just go down having something back there, it's going to be a lot better than not having nothing back there. They ride nice, they're comfortable. You know, they're a little flat. They're a little flat. These got a natural curve in them built into them. Even these got a little natural curve into them. So it's going to take some breaking in. Get those where they're really comfortable on the bars. I can see me wearing these to do other things. Go-karting, four-wheeling. I mean, gloves are gloves. You use gloves where you use gloves at. I probably wouldn't work in them, and that's all right. That's not what they're designed for. Again, thanks to Kemimoto for sending those out to me. This weekend's Veterans Day, right? My family's a big veteran. Two of my grandfathers, uncle, stepdad, my dad, cousins, friends. Now, I'm not going to get into the whole prior service versus veteran discussion. Y'all, it's Veterans Day. You know, not everybody steps up to do that job. Air Force, Marines, even you coasties. Hey, we need folks out there. Many of y'all watching maybe didn't step up and do that. I didn't. Well, I didn't. Thanks to all the vets out there. Thanks for stepping up and doing something that most of us don't. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of one another. Take care of your vets. Nobody else will.